Back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'm going to review the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So this is a leave-in conditioner that I picked up that I ordered from Walmart. I think it was about $13 or $14, not quite sure. I will place the picture here or the price. I think I've tried the smoothie from this and I actually like the smoothie, and I wanted to try a one product wash and go. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have been trying a few new products for you guys, just the OG products and a few new products, just so you guys can maybe put something else in your routine. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Intensely smooth and nourished, natural, chemically processed and heat style hair, sulfate free, and yeah. Now, if you know, my hair is not damaged, but I have ignored my hair for a few months just because of stress and everything. But I'm back. If you're wondering, I have a deep treatment in my hair right now. The Curl Bond Self Rehab Curl Smith product, long ass name. If you want to see how that applied on my hair and the results and everything, make sure you go check out this video. But this is a 16-ounce jar. I'm going to do a one product wash and go with this. It doesn't say silicone free, but I'm guessing it's silicone free because, you know, Shea Moisture doesn't add silicone to their products. Let me see. The reason I also tried this is because I would say a 1 to 2 product wash and go girl. I would rather only try a leave-in or a leave-in with a gel. If the leave-in has hold, I'll actually try it. I saw this on Mad Curls. They use it as a 1-and-done product, so I was like, hey, why not try the OG product? And it's a big tub. So this says it's a reparative leave-in conditioner, softens and detangles hair while controlling frizz. Perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural hairstyles. Formulated with Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter to nourish, moisturize, and support elasticity so hair resists breakage by detangling. Conditioners provide a protective layer that improves the appearance of split ends. Peppermint stimulates the scalp for the invigorating experience. The other products that I've tried, the shampoo, and I've tried the mask before, and the smoothie. The mask has peppermint, didn't feel it in it. The shampoo, I did feel some kind of peppermint-ish in it. I have tried it a long time ago. And then the smoothie from this line, I didn't feel peppermint-ish from it. So I'm wondering if this actually has the peppermint properties. Then again, you're not supposed to put leave-in directly on your scalp, but we'll see. You're supposed to apply this on clean towel dried hair. I don't think so. I'm gonna try it on damp hair or wet hair because my hair needs moisture. Work a generous amount into your hair from roots to end. Comb through. Do not rinse. The style is needed. Okay. Looking at the ingredients, it has castor oil, shea butter, coconut oil, essential oil blend, hydrolyzed keratin, which is good, vitamin E, aloe vera juice, vegetable protein, hydrolyzed rice protein, niacin, peppermint. So the peppermint is like almost all the way at the bottom, so I'm guessing it doesn't have enough peppermint, because if it was a little bit on the top of the ingredients list, it would have more, but makes sense because it doesn't go directly on your scalp. Then it also has the apple cider vinegar, which is all the way on the bottom, but on the shampoo it's a little bit more on the top because, you know, it's a shampoo, goes directly on your scalp. But if something is all the way on the bottom, I don't recommend brands to put this on top of on the front of the jar. Like, they put it peppermint and apple cider vinegar like it's a main ingredient, while it's not. It's actually on the bottom of the list. Like, vinegar is like 2 ingredients before the bottom, and this is the ingredients list. Like, anyway, I think they maybe should have put just shea butter and castor oil on the front and maybe coconut oil, but they're doing the thing. So it has a decent amount of slip like you guys read there. I did need to add more water for it to feel that slip in my hair. As you guys will see, that I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna spray some water on my hair just to activate it. So I don't know why they recommend this on damp hair, because I think it works best on not towel dried hair but damp to wet hair, just so it can really activate that slip and the definitions. And as you guys can see, as soon as I added the water, I felt like my curls were very smooth, very defined, and really juicy. So that really helped the whole process. So I'm just gonna continue this all over my hair. At some parts, like in the front, for example, I am going to finger coil those parts, because those parts are a little bit stubborn, especially when I only use one product. So I didn't want to take any chances, because I did need to be somewhere tomorrow. So I am going to finger coil some parts, but the finger coiling will not affect the hold or the definition that this product has. If this product does not have a good hold or anything, it will frizz up the next hours or next few hours or the next day. So yeah, as you guys will see, some parts I'm just raking, but the front parts, like my the parts that frame my face, I am going to finger coil those pieces and add a little bit more product. So yeah, and as you guys can see here in the next clip, I'm going to show you how all of my hair looks like when everything has been styled. I think it took about 30 minutes to do my whole head, but this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it looks very defined. It does show the white residue, so I was kind of worried that the white residue would stay on my hair and dry like that, but in the next clip you guys will see that it did not leave any residue. So I was very shocked, because the smoothie actually left some residue on my hair. But my hair looks super defined, super fluffy, super light. It does have a small hold, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.